Sometimes we forget our bodies were created by the same physical laws as the beautiful waterfall we just saw. Nature provides principles for health and balance that always work. There is a true standard for optimal biologic health. In the last 25 years, bioesthetic dentistry has applied those principles to the dental system, returning people to wellness and beauty. Hello. My name is Dr. Craig Herre. I'm one of several hundred trained bioesthetic professionals in the world today. We're going to show you how bioesthetics gave back the lives of 3 people written off as helpless and hopeless cases. All they wanted was to escape pain brought on by a lack of harmony between neck and facial muscles, teeth, and jaw joints. Using nature's model of health is the treatment that gave back the life of our first patient, Belva Sorosi.
My life has never been better.
Belva has returned from a darker place where sharp back muscle spasms sent indescribable pain through her shoulders, neck, and head.
Nothing that I took as far as medication would touch it. What finally happened to me was on a Sunday morning I woke up and my jaw was locked shut. And I could only open my mouth probably about this far. And I thought I knew what pain was before that happened. I had no hope. I had had doctors, physicians telling me I was going to have to learn to live with this, learn how to live with it.
Moving her out of pain and into health was simply a matter of following bioesthetic principles. The winning diagnosis for Belva was the treatment of the whole system. The process of healing consists of aligning the teeth with the jaw joints. A stabilized jaw sets the stage for ideal dental restoration. A system in harmony will lead to optimal health.
I've been completely restored. I do not have headaches. I have my life back.
Because nature validates what we do, bioesthetics can deliver an ideal standard of care. Biologic principles provide a roadmap, a path, a diagnosis, all leading to appropriate treatment. Patients like Story Schmidt, a young mother of 3 children who has lived with pain since childhood, cling to the hope that there is something out there to help them.
I was having migraines twice a week, tension headaches every day.
After finding bioesthetics, the subsequent diagnosis and treatment brought immediate results. Feeling like a new person, she grew to appreciate how bioesthetics model itself using the best from nature. In bioesthetics, the answer is always the same. No one gets any worse, they only get better.
I would not be where I am today had I not chosen to move forward and had not been provided with the biological principles that brought health. And I expect that things are just going to continue to improve.
Trained to observe, listen, and understand what is taking place biologically gives a bioesthetic professional the opportunity to affect people's lives, including patients who are still growing. Jacob Duvall was 5 years old when he first told his parents the pain he was suffering came from his head.
Neurologists tell me that he will always have the migraines and he's just going to have to learn to live with the pain. So we've done a lot of biofeedback trying to teach him how to live with pain.
On his first visit to a bioesthetic dentist, Jacob was feeling side effects from heavy medication for the pain in his legs and periods of migraine headaches. Jacob's mother was surprised when Dr. Tim Kelly consulted with a bioesthetic colleague to begin a diagnosis.
And I turn around, I look at Annette, Jacob's mother, and her mouth is hanging open. She says, "You know what? We have been seeing doctors for 3 years, approximately, neurologists, pediatricians, I mean, a whole slew of doctors. None of them have communicated with each other." And she was very impressed that we were able to do that. And I said, well, that's what our bioesthetic community is all about.
Once treatment began on Jacob, the headache stopped and he was taken off all medication. Adjustments to the guidance in his primary teeth soon brought Jacob out of pain and onto the ball field.
As a mom,
I don't even have the words to say, because I feel like he gave my child a life that he wouldn't have had otherwise. So I publicly just want to take this time and say thank you. I came to you with no hope.
There is no way of knowing how many lives bioesthetic dentistry can touch. People of all ages suffer from chronic and migraine headaches daily. The numbers are staggering. The ability of bioesthetic dentistry to apply optimal health to any mouth can create lifelong pain-free function and lasting natural beauty. Thank you.